You know what, guys? I cut my hair. Ayan. Long and too short. Ayan, look at me, guys. Do I look young, guys? Do I look young because my hair is short now? Hi, I just woke up, guys. Ayan. Nagising lang ako, guys. Ayan, it's already 4 a.m. Ayan, nagising ako, guys, kasi I feel hungry. I feel hungry, guys. So, let's eat charan! Apple, guys. Ayan. I feel hungry. Nagising ako, guys, kasi bigla akong nagutom. Bigla akong nagutom, guys. Kaya naman, let's eat. Kain tayo. Mm, so, yan. Ngayon. So, ayun, guys. Ano ako sa hair ko, guys. Yung hair ko hanggang dito. Tapos, yung pinagupitan ko hanggang dito na lang, guys. Nagkamali yung manggugupit. mm. Ayan. Do I look young, guys? Because my hair is short now. Short na siya, guys. Hmm. Curly, curly. Curly, curly pa din siya, guys. Diba? I love it. May pambahay outfit. May pantulog outfit, guys. Ang tamis ng apple, guys. One of my favorite fruit. Apple. Ayun, parang nasanay na ako gumising na maaga, guys. Every time, I woke up so early, 4 a.m. Yan, mga ganyang oras. Kasi guys, before, when I was working in company, ayan, gising maaga, ganitong oras, 4, tapos ligo, tapos pasok na alas 5, ayan, that's why I woke up so early, every day. Ayan guys, I'm so haggard, I look so haggard. So, after ko nitong kumain ng apple, guys, I'll try to sleep again. Guys. So, ayun. Ang tamis ng apple, guys. So, ayan. I will try to sleep again, guys. And my cat, look at my cat, guys. She sleep also beside me. My cat, very sweet. She sleep also beside me.